Hello guys, my name is Present Sangamika and today we are going to code something cool today, okay? So basically what are we going to do? What are we going to do is I'm going to create a bunch of geometrical shape like a square, right? A geometrical shape, a circle, a rectangle. Actually I'm just going to create a square and circle in this video, okay? So after that, after creating a square and circle, I will show you how you can transform a square into circle and circle into square. It will be a pretty cool animation. By the way, I'm using Manim. I have already installed all the precautions. I am not going to show you how to install Manim in this video, okay? So do so okay, let's begin. Let's start by creating a file. So I'm just gonna call my file shape transformer because we are going to transform shape. Okay, so by the way, my environment has already been activated, so I don't need to activate it again. So first of all, say let's from Manim import all. Now I need to name my class. I'm just going to name it shape transformer because I can't think of any other name than this, okay? I know. So let's do this, and we don't need any of this. Now first of all, let's create a circle. Let's say our circle is circle. You can name anything. You can like say it's a square, and if you can write square here if you want, and it will still be circle because it is referring to the object circle. But you can write any name, okay? You can give any name you want. For this video I'm just going to say it's circle because it's obvious, it's easy, okay? And then I'm going to create square object, okay? Now I haven't created this object circle yet. All I have did is reference that this is a circle. Now we need to add it to our animation, okay? So we just say self.play create capital C, okay, circle, okay? So we actually first of all let's capital C, let's create square. Now what should happen is that a square and circle should be on top of each other. First there will be circle, then there will be square, okay? That should happen. Wait, let me change the directory cd for YouTube. Then I'm going to call Manim, and then I'm going to say I need a medium quality. Then I'm going to say shape transformer .py. Since I have only one class, I think I can just do this. Yeah, I can just do this. Now as you can see, okay, this, as you can see, the circle was created at first, then there's the square. They are on top of each other, and we do not want them to be on top of each other, okay? For now we don't want them to be on top of each other, okay? So I'm going to shift up by 2. Actually let's say left by 2, and for circle I want it to shift right. Okay, so as you can see, we have a square and circle. Circle to the right, square to the left, right? Now okay, we have completed our objective. Okay, first objective, we have created a square and a circle. Now what are we going to do is on to the next phase. Okay, on next phase, what are we going to do is we are going to create, no, we are not going to create, we have already done that part. We are going to transform. Okay, transform. So if I want to transform, I should not create this square. What I can do is I can say self.play and start transform with. Okay, so the syntax and transform is it accepts two parameter. Okay, the first parameter is the object which is to be transformed, and the second parameter is the object which is to be transformed. Okay, in our case it's square. So okay, what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna put comma and I'm going to slow the animation. Okay, so what does this runtime 2 does is it actually slows the animation by 2 seconds. Okay, I mean it extends the animation to 2 seconds. Okay, as you can see here, the circle has transformed into a square. Okay, now what are we going to do is let's say we want some color. Okay, what we can do is say animate dot set fill red opacity. We want to set it to 1 and say we want square. Okay, we are going to set the square. Okay, so there are two methods to fill the color. Okay, this is first one is that animate and the second one is set fill. Actually you are going to use set fill and both methods, but the difference between two is you can actually set the color inside this play. Okay, if you use animate. Okay, if you use animate you can actually set the color in the play. Okay, if you are going to let's say put the color by default, not animate it later, then you can use this object that set that fill and whichever color you want. In this, no, actually I'm going to go with the green and I'm going to choose opacity to 2. This will see. Okay, so we have successfully transformed circle into square. If you notice it, then you can also see the color. See, you can see that the color also transformed from red to green. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. Now what are we going to do next? Okay, let's do this. Let's create this is and say this is equal to a text, and let's say this is a circle, right? I'm going to move this is let's shift. By default this is going to be on the center. Okay, I don't want it to be in the center, but I want it to be let's say not. Okay, this will be good. And let's say I want this becomes text. Okay, this is now a square, and I will just copy this and paste this. Wait, paste it here, and I'm going to change this is to this becomes. Now what I'm going to do is add self.add this is. Okay, and after it has finished transforming, what I can do is I can say self.play. Actually wait, I'm going to do this and this and this. I'm going to call transform, and I'm going to say this is will be this becomes. And okay, this will be good. So you can see here, let me maximize this. Okay, so this is circle, and this is now a square, right? But the thing is, this is the end of the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.